Everybody, it's Yugan again from Premier Auto Services, and I have Maurice with us.
Hi.
Look, we haven't done a technical video for a while, so we wanted to show you something interesting that we're doing in the shop at this point in time. We have a lovely Mercedes Benz ML350, and this particular vehicle came in for some serious oil leaks. So right now Maurice has been tackling this repair, and he just will give us a bit of a rundown as to what he's found in the vehicle and what the problem is, and a quick synopsis of how we're going to go about repairing it. Alright guys, there's Maurice.
Hi everyone.
Yeah, so this vehicle came in for a serious oil leak, which we initially diagnosed as rear main seal, but it turned out to be a compound problem, in the sense of we replaced the rear main seal and found an additional leak afterwards as well. Now, with some research and some digging, we found that the oil cooler seals tend to fail on these vehicles. Now, unfortunately, the oil cooler is situated in the middle of the V of the engine. If you come and look here, there's the oil cooler there. Now, unfortunately, it's quite a magnitude of a job, because the intake manifold, everything has to come off to be able to get access to the oil cooler to replace the seals and the cooler.
Okay, so quickly, while we're talking about seals, Maurice, what type of seals do you fit on this vehicle? Because I see you've got Mercedes Benz boxes. Do you have to use Mercedes Benz seals for this type of a repair?
I prefer, yes. I'd rather not take any chance with any aftermarket components,
Okay.
especially the type of job involved as well. It's
Okay.
quite a labor-intensive repair.
Right. Thank you, Maurice.
No
Thanks. I'm not going to keep you anymore. Thanks, guys. That's what we're doing. It's quite an intricate repair. There's a whole lot of parts that need to be removed, including the turbo on this particular vehicle to get to the oil cooler. So that's the repair. That's one of the repairs we've got going on in the shop at this point in time. If you have any Mercedes Benz that have this type of problems, well, now you know where to come to. Yugan from Premier Auto Services. Have an awesome weekend, guys.